Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charlotte County, southeastern Halifax County, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Scottsburg to near Cluster Springs to Altron, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Red Oak, Clover, Turbeville, Scottsburg, and Heidelberg.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.